Hello, in this video we're going to demonstrate the fly by waypoints in auto mode. In our previous video, the ArduPilot simulation was demonstrated in flying by waypoints saved in the text file in the guided mode. In this video it's an auto mode. The code is here. You can see ArduPilot Waypoints Auto in the contrary to the previous video, this one. And here we are using the mission waypoint.txt file. Those two files are used in this video, and this Python file was copied to my editor. And first I would like to demonstrate the actual operation. So we're running the file. The important thing here that we are going up in the guided mode. You see that the altitude is 10 meters. You can see 10 meters. You can see it here. Then we are sending the waypoints to the copter. At the minute we are changing to auto mode, the copter begins to fly according to those waypoints. The interesting thing here is this is the first point, so the edge here is relatively sharp, and when he's building the way in the auto mode, you see that the path is relatively smooth, so he smoothes the waypoints in the relatively smooth path. So it reached the end, and now it's descending 2 meters. You can see here and here, and now we have landed. Now let's go briefly over the code and see the differences relatively to the guided mode. First we load our waypoints. This is a simple text file. You can see it here. Basically it's the same as this one, where we have longitude and latitude here and the height in meters, where I want to go to the height of 10 meters. After loading those waypoints, we are going up in the guided mode. This is pretty important thing. Theoretically we can go up in the auto mode, but it brings a certain complication. The easiest way is to take off in the guided mode. That is what we are doing here, and we are taking off to the height of 10 meters. Then we send the mission to the copter, and in the minute we switch to the auto mode, the copter starts flying according to those coordinates. This loop enables us to look the progress of the copter and see when he have reached the certain points and print it on the screen, and the final stage is landing. So we have demonstrated the difference of flying by waypoints in auto mode relatively to our previous video where I have demonstrated the flight in the guided mode. Thank you.